What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of the Bitvae electric toothbrush. In this review, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this toothbrush, including one thing that you should know before buying. So before I jump into the toothbrush and its functionality, let's talk about all the things that it comes with. So it has this travel case right here, which holds the toothbrush up top, and then two toothbrush heads on the bottom area. It comes with the toothbrush itself. It comes with this brush head. One of the things I love about it, actually, it comes with 7 more of these brush heads. That's all that's in this box, right? It's just full of them. So there's 7 more of those in there. And then also, obviously, the charging cable. Now, in terms of the toothbrush itself, I was pleasantly surprised at how good it is. So it has different modes. So it has clean, sensitive, white, gum care, and tongue. And I'm actually going to bring this little thing of water over. And we're going to turn it on real quick. So this, you can see it spinning brush, right? And let me get my hand in the different settings here. So this is just the clean mode, right? That's clean. This one is sensitive mode. So basically like clean mode, just a little bit, easier or slower. Whitening, which I think is the most powerful one. I was kind of surprised by that. So that's the whitening mode. Gum care is kind of like a revving engine, if you will. And then tongue. It's just a steady low turning. Now beyond that, you have the little charging port here, and obviously this charging cord that comes with it. But how does the brush actually feel? Is it good? You're probably wondering that. So I used this for about 4 days, I believe. And it's actually, it's a toothbrush, right? It's an electric toothbrush. There's a lot of value in this, especially considering how many brush heads it comes with. But overall, it felt just as good as any other brush. I like how much power it actually has. I usually use the clean on most of it. And then for my tongue, I actually use the whitening because I like the really powerful on there just to scrub everything away. But yeah, I think that it is definitely a good toothbrush overall. In terms of how long the battery lasts, I can't say 100% because, like I said, I use it for 4 or 5 days. I can't remember exactly, but I had to look on this, and they say that the battery will last for up to 30 days. So I assume that means, if you're brushing twice a day, like we're all recommended to at a minimum, then it'll be about 30 days. If you brush more than that, it could be less, etc. So it just depends on your brushing frequency. But yeah, overall, a very good brush. Definitely gets a good scrub with my teeth, etc. So yeah, if you're considering this one and not really sure, especially with the amount of brush heads, if it's really worth it, I absolutely think that it is, and hope that you enjoy it.